another room, in my brother's room. I can do some things there. Oh, shit. I feel so hot. Shout out to all of you guys. Guys, I need sponsor, guys. I need sponsor for my um, Wi-Fi. I need to pay my Wi-Fi bill and to buy a new phone. Let's look at my phone. That's a broken phone. Lewis William, hello. Shout out to you, Lewis William. I'm fine. I'm finer now, but you know, um, I'm a little bit sad because I don't have Wi-Fi now. My Wi-Fi is due lately, and I don't have money to pay my Wi-Fi. So I need your help, guys. Somebody, please send sponsor. I'm gonna put my PayPal account over in there, guys, and just want if you want to donate something, you can donate something. It's so hot. I'm starting to feel hot. Miss William, a big shout out to you and to Marcelo. Marcelo Masuno, shout out to you, Marcelo. Shit, sweet cherry, shout out. And to Georgie, shout out. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, guys. And if you want to support more, you can click the join button over there and join my channel membership. It's just 25 pesos. You can unlock the levels 25, 99, 120, 129. And if you want to go to Sleepy Diamond, it will be so nice. It would be so better, you know. And you can unlock, um, maybe join my Telegram account or Sleepy Gold, something like that. Just join the channel membership and you can unlock the perks, guys.